Nvidia may have just teased its next monster GPU without actually announcing it. Buried inside an AI presentation was a detail that has hardware analysts buzzing, and it could be our biggest hint yet at the terrifying power of the RTX 6090. What makes this even crazier? This didn't come from a gaming event or a flashy launch trailer. It came from an AI conference, and buried inside that presentation was something that has the entire tech world talking. So here's what happened. Nvidia recently showed off a new AI-focused GPU called the Nvidia Rubin CPX. Now officially, this chip is built for data centers, AI workloads, and inference, not gaming. But hardware analysts noticed something interesting almost immediately. The chip design looks very similar to the architecture behind the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5090. And that's where things get exciting, because historically, Nvidia often adapts its high-end AI silicon into future GeForce GPUs. So if this is a preview of what's coming, the RTX 6090 could be an absolute monster. Let's talk about the performance, because this is where things get wild. Early estimates suggest the RTX 6090 could feature around 28,000 CUDA cores. To put that into perspective, the RTX 5090 is already insanely powerful, and this would be a massive jump beyond that. We're potentially looking at a 30% increase in raw performance right out of the gate. But that's not even the full story. Once you factor in higher clock speeds and architectural improvements, that gain could push closer to 40% or more. And that's not a normal generational upgrade. That's the kind of leap that completely reshapes the high-end GPU market overnight. And it doesn't stop at raw power. Leaks suggest the RTX 6090 could use a 512-bit memory bus paired with next-gen GDDR7 memory. In simple terms, way more bandwidth. That means faster data transfer, better performance in demanding games, and a huge boost at 4K and even 8K resolutions. For creators, this could be just as big. Video editing, 3D rendering, AI workloads. This GPU might not just be for gaming, it could dominate everything. But there's a big problem. Of course, there's always a catch: power consumption. The RTX 5090 already pulls a serious amount of power. So, if Nvidia pushes performance even further with the 6090, we could be looking at one of the most power-hungry GPUs ever made. And then there's the price, because let's be real, Nvidia doesn't go easy on flagship pricing. If this thing delivers on these specs, it could easily cost as much as, or more than, an entire gaming PC. So, if these leaks turn out to be true, the RTX 6090 might become the most insane consumer GPU Nvidia has ever released. A potential 40% performance jump, massive bandwidth upgrades, nearly 28,000 CUDA cores, and enough power to crush basically anything you throw at it. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet, but if Nvidia is really preparing hardware like this, the next generation of PC gaming is about to get wild. And honestly, the real question isn't how powerful it will be. It's how much it's going to cost. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments. At what price point does a GPU become impossible for you to justify? Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates, leaks, and gaming news, because the next generation of PC hardware is only getting crazier from here.